I want to share with you one of my favorite meals. It's homemade pot pie, but it's a Pennsylvania Dutch recipe, so it's not pot pie in the crust. It's more like a soup. We usually use beef, but I wanted to try chicken this time, so we put some chicken thighs in. Some were bone-in and some were boneless. And a bunch of water. We seasoned it with salt and pepper. I used my new knife and chopped up some peeled carrots. We also chopped up some potatoes and onions, and as much as you want to add in works. I like my new knife. I pretend like it's a little baby scimitar. And there's Rich helping me. He is a very good sous chef. And we boiled it all. There we go. We seasoned it again. Salt and pepper. You can see it's going. We pulled the chicken out and put the temperature probe in, and it's really neat. It has this cool app. And you can we put in poultry, and that's supposed to go up to 165. Oop, it made it. So Rich cut the bone out from the ones that were bone in. And he got to pretend like it was a miniature scimitar too. And we used our chicken shredder. This is the first time using it. So you twirl it around a few times, and it's supposed to shred all the chicken for you right away. And whenever it was all shredded, it went back into the pot. And about 10 minutes before it's time to eat, we add in the noodles. Now, we used to do homemade noodles, but what we found are these Reams frozen noodles work just as good. You stir it up, you taste it, you season it to taste, and you pour it in a bowl with some Parmesan.